What is the most memorable moment ever in your whole football career?
Is when I was 70 years old, and I went to join my team in Italy, and it's the first time I wear my tracksuit, the same tracksuit like everyone. I was in the front of the mirror, looking at myself, and I called my mom. I said, "Mom, you can't believe, here we have like the same tracksuit." I went downstairs, all the team was at the dinner table, and people were serving food. It was like 2 forks on the on the left, like the knife on the, and everything. Like I say all those details to my mom, and I feel like I was in a paradise because I never used to have all those things, and I think this is my most memorable, I would say, time in my career, because I was a kid and I couldn't believe like from the street like to people going to serving food and to wear like the same tracksuit as my teammate. I will probably say this moment.
And privately, most magical moment of your life that changed you?
I would say my kids, but also wait. The moment where I nearly cried and I was really emotional is when I went to Senegal, because I've got like 2 shelters, and to open it, and I've got like 400 kids. To see this, trust me, that day I was like, wow, I know why I am on planet Earth. It's not for winning Champions League or stuff like that. It's for that, for helping kids.
Speaking about your kids, are you strict father?
No.
You're soft.
I'm bad. I like, my son is like my best friend, and my daughter, she's the boss. Like, I can't say no. Like, if she say like, "Daddy, go to fight against the lion," because I just want to.
You do everything.
I will do everything. So you know what? I had like a hair transplant, so I'm not afraid to say it. And you know the real reason? Because I was losing my hair just a little bit in the front, so it wasn't that bad because I was shaving, and I didn't want to look too much as my brother because I call him Big Malteser, chocolate Malteser. So
is it because of stress you were losing?
I don't know. I don't know, like even now, like a lot of footballer players, they're losing their hair, but it's just, I don't know if it's the stress or anyway. And my daughter, she was watching like a documentary about Allez les Bleus, about the French national team, and I had my hair and everything. And she said, "Daddy, I want your hair to be like the same." Like, I was like, "Nah, listen, baby, Daddy is losing his hair, so I can't have it." "Yeah, but I want the same, please." So I start to Google and say where is the best hair transplant, and from my friends. So actually, I wasn't like too like sensitive about it. And again, I did it for my daughter, so we'll see.
Respect for admitting.
Yeah, I'm like someone, I'm not shy. I share everything. I'm not like fake. I don't want like people, they see me with like Maltese head, and in 3 months they see me with the Jackson 5 or the Marwan Fellaini, and they would say, "Patrice, what did you do?" No, I did a hair transplant. It's not I know the word is scare people.
Now you cannot say don't be jealous.
Yeah,
when you take off the hair.
No, I would be like, don't be jealous. I just want to share when I have my Jackson 5.
I invite you in name of all Croatians.
Yeah. I will. I have to come, because if I don't come, I think Mario Mandjukic will oh yeah. I don't want to swear in Croatia, so yeah, I need to really come in Croatia.
For the end, I know that I've heard you prepared something for all your fans from Croatia.
Yeah,
so
because,
what is it?
Yeah, I want to sing a song in Croatian. I've never done it in my life. So I don't know if you have like ears problem or I'm really sorry, but I'm someone, I'm not shy. So, but I will just need like a phone and yeah, don't be shy. The cameraman is behind his camera. Yeah, make sure you delete all the naked picture. I don't want to, first it's all about the face. The lips, you always have to. Can me todes ti when you come to me. This is for all my best friends in Croatia. For you, Mario. Pada noć, puna streć, nemana te tu kreš, a tremante, kao pešniš, svoju bol. Oh, I'm so good, I'm sorry. Aș nașu, nici tu de snima, uns mama, Trovej-me, esse amor chegando da dodjes. I love you, Croatia.